Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable different sound recording devices attached to any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just select this system option, and on the right side you can see your sound. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see your more sound settings. Just click on it. Now on the above you will see your recording tab. Just click on it. Now you will see all the recording devices which are either disconnected or not plugged in or disabled or enabled, or which are already being using right now. So you can see the voice level right now, my microphone which I'm using right now. So on the above there are tons more different recording devices so which are disabled already. So if you want to enable, just right mouse click on it and you can just enable it. And similarly, which are already being enabled, you can just right mouse click on it and you can just click on the disable to disable the respective recording devices which you want to disable. So by using this inbuilt option, you can easily enable or disable different sound recording devices attached to any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.